everyone. Let us do the analysis for Sol. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? Mixed up. This is not mixed up. This is not mixed up. I do both the swing, the short term, playing level to level, okay, and the intraday trades as well. So it is all mixed, okay. And I keep a total transparency with you guys. See how the levels are being followed. See consolidation, rejection, falling, taking support on the same trend line. Okay, getting a breakout, taking support on this breakdown. Okay, support. Then again. See, the levels are all respected. See, a breakdown from here, sharp fall, support from here only. Okay, bounce, rejection, again fall from here. Okay, so right now, if you see the current position, this is a zone. Okay, this is a zone. See, rejection, rejection. Okay, breakout, taking support, accumulation of volume, breakout, retest, breakout, consolidation. Alright. So for now we need to watch out in BNB coin. We need to watch out for a level which is level of 312.1. If we are getting a good breakout of this level, we will be going to test this level, this historical trend line, and the resistance level of 319. Oh sorry, 346, 343 level, 344 level. Alright. Let us see in the intraday time frame in 2 hour. Alright, see, there is a consolidation, but it is in a rising. Alright, so be cautious here. See, this is the support level, took sharp support from here. Okay, see how so beautifully the technical analysis and technical levels is respected by the market. We say that the forex and the crypto is very volatile. Yes, it is volatile, but the technicals always remain the same. It will form the technical patterns in a different manner, but the patterns will be the same. All we have to do is to be cautious, is to be patient. Patience is very important. We need to be patient in this, and the role will play. And see, this is a fake out also, bro. There was a level. If we know technical analysis, we also can find out the fake breakouts and breakdowns. Alright. So this is a small overview for the BNB. You can note down these levels. You can take a screenshot if you want to play level to level. But yes, for the proper level to level playing, you need to learn the technical analysis, and for that you must go for the course. Go and watch the video for the course content in the playlist of my channel. All right. See, this is in 15-minute time frame. We are having a good consolidation from at least 3-4 days in BNB, whereas Ethereum is going down and Bitcoin is going up. But yes, there is no movement as such in BNB. It is consolidating, so we must need we must wait and watch. All right. So this is some analysis for BNB and what future levels we need to see. All right, see, consolidating between these two historical lines. So everything has a reason. We just need to find out. And how can we find out? Just by learning how to analyze the charts, analyzing the market, where from we can get the news, what will be the impact of the news on the chart, the inventories, okay, the governments of various countries, the laws, the functions, everything. Okay, so I would request you to go to my channel in the play for the course. If you want to play in crypto, you can play in crypto also. It is 380 USDT, and in Indian currency it is 31,490 rupees. It is a course for 8 days, 2 hour session every day, and after the completion of the course we are not done there. We have a 2 month continuous handholding wherein we will be assigning you a mentor who will be teaching you and solving all your problems regarding the analysis of the market and everything related to the market, which will help you sharpen your knowledge about the market and making your grasping power easy so that you can understand the market with ease. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.